Hey everybody,
See,
welcome to my new
we
channel.
good.
It's Big Bruh DIY Homesteader. Where this is about family,
Actually, he
about
rushing me.
building, about
Yeah, you
cooking,
are. Yeah,
about
you are. Yeah.
vacations, about putting your hands and God-given talents to work. Yes, a lot of challenges come our way, but with the love of family, love of God, and my guardian angel, my mom, who died when I was 2 years old from lupus. But she has been a guiding light all my life. So this channel is about putting everything that I can do far as being a Renaissance man.
When you get over there, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, so you can check out this video. All right, peace. Show your boy some love. Hey everybody, this your boy Big Bro with Big Bro DIY Homesteader. Hey, I'm about to continue on with this chicken run bill. Finish up with a door. Before that, I wanna put together some breakfast, and I think I got a taste for an omelet, and I want to bring you guys along so y'all can check it out on how how to make a pretty good omelet, and yeah, I thought I might share. Very good. Check it out. It might be a good one. Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel because I really appreciate it. Hey, I just started this channel, and hopefully it'll grow. Hopefully you guys will like what you see. And yeah, this is a new journey for me. It's all good though, you know. But appreciate you guys for coming and checking me out. And let me show y'all how to get this omelet together. Alright. First I start by setting my oven, guys. And you say, why you set your oven for an omelet? I finished my omelet off in the oven. And you'll see in a minute why. Alright, I like using my shaker or I like using my Ninja blender cup, but at this time I like using my shaker. And my son, he had my other shakers, and they tend to not return stuff like they supposed to. So, man, life of a family man. Life of a family man. Alright, shaking this, got this shaker going. Then, now, got my egg shaking. I already got my chopped onions, so I'm gonna bring that over here. Alright, so now, gonna heat this up. I didn't want to heat it up beforehand because it get it heats up pretty fast. So I didn't want to create some kind of chaos cause my smoke detectors are very sensitive. So I'm gonna put that like that. I'm gonna spray this pan, the skillet, that away. And put it on the two burner. Two burner, get it. I like to use a little black pepper. Little salt. I like to use a little smoked paprika. Smoked paprika. And that's pretty much it. Yes. Then while that heat up, let me do something. Just do away that with beer containers with it. I like to pick up my little area, clean up my area while I'm waiting on things to process. So look like it's getting almost where it needs to be for us. I told you it heat up pretty fast. So go ahead and take my shaker right here. Step away. That's still gonna take a little second, but with the ice cold brew, you gotta hit that one more time because it cold brew takes a little longer than it, and it like stops throughout the process. So we're back. So get me a spatula. But this one I'm gonna use my fish spatula because it gets in the corners and things like that a little bit better. So move that around a little bit. Go ahead and put my onions in here. So I'm gonna turn that down because I don't want to burn at the bottom. I'm gonna put that in there. Put my meat, my turkey in here, and put that all around like that. What you doing, big bro? What you doing? Yes, up. Watch this. I'm gonna let everything. This is the reason for why I got the oven. This is the reason for why I got the oven because a lot of most of it don't cook in the oven. So I'm starting it on the stove, but finishing in the oven. So I got my turkey in there. Put some of this non-dairy cheese or vegan cheese, you may call it. Put some of that in there. A little bit of shredded cheese. A little bit goes a long way, so I don't use a whole lot. A little bit of smoked paprika. Black pepper. A little bit of Himalayan pink salt. See, as I was doing that, you see how the bottom is already starting to get done on the sides and look like that. So what I'm gonna do from there, put my lid on here,
Put this in the oven. And we're gonna put it in the oven for about 2 to 3 minutes, and it should be done. Yep. While we wait on that, guys, I'm try to wipe things down, but I want to go. If y'all have kids, do y'all have the same issue whenever they do the dishes? When I do take care of the dishes, you can't find the dishcloth anywhere. One reason why, because they always leaving it in the sink, balled up, and then still full of water, and then that makes everything go bad because the cloth where you hold water, it start to smell over time. So this cloth is actually clean, but my water has that iron, and they were like the first victim when we started getting into the house. We haven't been into this house in a year yet. Hasn't been a year yet, but the that water kind of stains the whites. However, I feel yeah, I think it's about ready. A couple more minutes. A couple more minutes. Oh, I'm sorry, I paused it when it came out, but that's that omelet, huh? And it came out of the pan, out of the skillet, very easy. I thought I dad gonna hit play on the record, but it was still paused. But here's your finished product, and thank you for watching. And stay tuned for when I'm about to eat this before I go out here and finish up this chicken run for the door. So stay tuned and watch me with that. But thanks for watching me with this one. I like to put ketchup on my omelet, but yeah. When you get the cheese right, like the non-dairy or vegan cheese, you may call it, when you get it right and get it melted like it's supposed to, and that's one reason for the lid and the oven and things like that, because it needs steam heat. But once you get it melted, along with the dairy cheese, but I can just go with just the non-dairy because it has a deeper, creamier flavor to it. To me, some people might be like, "Oh, I don't know about that." Yeah, it does, and it melts in stages too. So once it's fully melted and then it cools, it has an even different, a deeper taste flavor to it. So that's why I grew to like it. And sometimes I prefer it more than I prefer it, and I will prefer it more than the dairy cheese because of you know it's a little healthier, even though it has oil in it as well, but it's healthier. But yeah, very good. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, we gonna keep it going. Appreciate it. When you get over there, don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, so you can check out this video. All right, peace. Show your boy some love.